see we have a demand zone right over here, which are reacting just perfectly. Let me just get my risk percentage out. Let's go 1% risk on this, just as usual. There you go. Have a stop loss just below the wick that tapped. So just over here. Little bit of a net late entry, but we're gonna be okay. So on my lot size is a bit. Let me just go see if I can go a little bit. I can risk 0.5% on this trade. So let me go see my TP rules. Let me see what I'm going to be targeting for this video. So let's see. It looks a little bit different on the actual on the actual markets. As you can see, this is on trading view. So we entered just about over here. There you go. Just like that. So that's a stop loss of 145. That means I'll go for a 1 to 2.5 risk to reward. So that will be somewhere over here. So now double click that, get my take profit level, go back here and use that as my target. There you go. And everything is set up, looking nice already. Had a flip. But let me explain the trade real quick. So I basically just woke up, just saw a live trade, thought I'd just take it. I think we entered a bit earlier than that, to be honest. Let me go back, see. Yeah, we entered a little bit earlier than that. So let me just have my target. That's about it. Same targets basically, but let's see. So what I don't like about this trade is that we just took out our liquidity and we had a strong push up. So that is the worst thing what's about this trade. But what I do like about this trade, that we're also pretty much in trends. I mean, trend doesn't really matter on the 5 minute, but you can still consider it. Now also, you can also, like, you have two liquidities in this situation. You have this, which was taken out, and basically already liquidity was taken out. That still doesn't make it invalid. And you also have liquidity here as well, which kind of, well, you can also consider this, my bad, this as your liquidity and this as its own high, and it took it out. So you got two both, and the trade is moving really nicely at the moment. You also have a fair value gap right in front of the zone, which I like to see as well. As you can see, with support and resistance as well. As you can see, if I just target this, well, maybe there, well, I'm gonna have to check that. There's a few over here, not something too crazy, but could still like consider it. My waist's a bit slow at the moment. As I just said, I woke up, so I'm just gonna leave this trade playing out. Let's see how it goes. Right now I'm on my lowest account. Just thought I'd do it for the video because I rushed here trying to make it. I think it will be a good video, to be honest. Live trading, most people like to see it, see how things play out live. So I'm looking at this gold setup at the moment. I'm gonna go make some food and I'll be right back to see how the trade is going. Let me see if everything's alright. I mean, I would have risked 1%, but leverage is shit, I think, because it didn't let me do that. So 0.5% risk. This would be 2.6%. Yeah, that's about right. Let me just, I'm gonna have to move it a little bit for a 1 to 2. So 1 to 2 is, yeah, that's about right. All right, potentially we can even hit profit target in one single candle, which would be pretty insane. So I'll let it run on trading. Actually, I'm gonna let it run here and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back now. Got some food, got banana, got banana and some bowl, I guess. So that's about it. Getting ready for the gym and also making this video. So let me just start eating and just watching the trade, I guess. I mean, the trade is running a bit slow at the moment, but hopefully it's making its lower wick and going up while I'm enjoying this food. It's great, bro. And also got this banana. Let's see on the higher time frames what's going on. I think we just opened a 30-minute new candle. Let's see on the 1 hour. Yeah, and also we're going to be opening a new candle on the 1 hour as well in 30 minutes. So hopefully we can hit our profit target by then. Otherwise, a lot of volume is going to come in and could stop us out. But hopefully we open the new 30-minute candle when we're making that lower wick, and then we can go to the upside and hit my profit target. Other than that, I'm gonna continue my eating. I mean, actually, if I have my entry on the close, my stop loss right here, my profit target 1 to 2.5 was actually already here. Now, I did have a later entry, so I can decide that should I close here, take my profit target, or should I run it further. Now, technically, on my rules, if my stop loss is 145 pips, well, 89 pips, let me check, 89 pips, then my take profit would be 1 to 3. So that will be my original take profit. So I'm just gonna have it. I'm just gonna have it over there. Just copy this. Go to trade locker. Your trade locker is actually so good. I mean, compared to MT5, bro, no one's gonna use MT5 after they launched trade locker. So yeah, I mean, it barely hit. So let's see if I can hit it now. That's about it. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait until it hits take profit. Pretty good momentum so far, and spreads might help us in this situation. As you can see, hopefully it just taps it and we're good to go. Oh shit, it has all that momentum to the downside, but hopefully we can still hit it. I mean, momentum of that first candle was just insane. So we're either gonna have to wait or let's see what happens. I mean, while this live trade is playing out, I'm gonna talk about my free Discord. As you can see, I'm just talking about to my chat right now about this gold trade. So if you're interested, then I mean, join it. I'll help you master this strategy. I mean, I'll help you. While I put food in my mouth while I was talking. But what I said, if you have any questions, then just let me know in the Discord and I'll help you out. And also, I think my take profit, oh my god, it's coming so close, man. What is going on? Might as well just close, bro. I swear it hit it, and then now it's reversing. Okay, there you go. Now it should hit. There you go. That was a nice 1 to 3, and oh, momentum is still going. I mean, you could also, oh, momentum is going like crazy though. I ain't gonna lie. I mean, yeah, you could also have a 1 minute trailing stop loss as well that you target. Like once your take profit is hit, you target each one's low. So for example, if our take profit was hit over here, for example, you would target, your stop loss would be at this candle's low, then at this candle's low, and when it hits a bearish candle, you don't change it. I mean, if it hit, well, your stop loss would have been hit right over here. So for a 1 to 2.2, you would have gone like 0.5% extra just for a trailing stop loss. I mean, at this example, I mean, let me check. Yeah, so my take profit was here, and I could have had nearly 1% extra. So I'm gonna keep the video going to see how long price slide goes in my direction, and but that's it for the video. You'll just see how long it goes, and thank you for watching. Join my Discord and I'll see you in the next video, bro. Alright, the momentum has pretty much died down once I hit our TP, so there's no point anymore. So I can still show you, but I'm gonna end the video here. Alright. Alright. Alright.